Alright, so today we have variables and expressions. So algebra. All algebra is the branch of mathematics that uses symbols. And the symbols that we use are called variables. It's a letter or symbol used to represent an unknown value. Any letter can be used, but X is the letter most often used. So an algebraic expression is an expression, no equal sign, that contains at least one variable and at least one mathematical operation, adding, subtracting, multiplying, or dividing. So examples are 5m plus b, 4 minus x, a times b, or we would just say it ab, or y divided by 3. Those are just some examples. They have at least one variable and at least one mathematical operation. So steps to write the algebraic expressions. Step 1, describe the situation by using only the most important words. Then choose a variable to represent your unknown quantity. And then finally, translate your verbal model, your verbal phrase, into an algebraic expression. Change the words into nothing but numbers and symbols. So, for example, $3 more than the cost of a sandwich. So, what this would look like, let me grab a pen real quick. All right, $3 more than, so I've got $3 more than means addition, the cost of a sandwich. Do we know how much a sandwich costs? So we're going to use X. Done. That's it. We translated our words into numbers and symbols. So same thing for the second one. Mari had $2 and made $6 an hour babysitting. So she had $2, so there's my 2, and made, so if she's making money, that's more, so we're going to add, and made $6 an hour. $6 an hour, $6 per hour, it's going to be 6 times X. That's it. Take your verbal phrases and translate them into numbers and symbols. So substitution, that's when we replace a variable with a number to evaluate, remember that means solve, the expression. So if you look at this example, you've got x plus x divided by 2. If I know that x equals 5, then I'm replacing all of those x's with that number 5. Then I can solve. You will probably hear me say plug it in. That's the short way of saying substitute. So, examples. Evaluate, solve, d plus 5 minus f if d equals 16 and f equals 18. So, I'm going to rewrite, just to get in good habits, I'm going to rewrite d plus 5 minus f, and then I'm going to replace what I know. I'm going to substitute in what I know. If d equals 16 instead of d plus 5, then it's going to be 16 plus 5. And instead of 5 minus f, if f is 18, then it's going to be 5 minus 18. So orders of operations, I've got nothing but addition and subtraction, so I go left to right, whatever comes first, left to right. My addition comes first, so 16 plus 5 is 21, and then rewrite the rest, minus 18, and then 21 minus 18 will give me a total of 3. Alright, our final example here, evaluate, solve, 6s plus 2t if r equals 1, s equals 5, and t equals 8. Now, I don't have an r on here, alright, so you don't need to worry about it, but s is going to be 5 and t is going to be 8. So, get in good habits, rewrite 6s plus 2t. So instead of 6s, I'm going to put 6 times 5. The biggest mistake that people would make is they would see that 6s, and if s is 5, then they go 65. It is not 65. All right, that is saying 6 times s, so it's 6 times 5. Same thing here, plus 2 times t. If t is 8, then it's 2 times 8. It's not 28, 2 times 8. So orders of operations, I'm going to go left to right with my multiplying. 6 times 5 is 30. Rewrite everything. 2 times 8 is 16. And then finally, if I add 30 plus 16 is 46. So this is how we evaluate an expression. We're going to be looking at this a lot tomorrow. All right, I will see you then.